Hi guys, you are all welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to turn pictures into videos. You will learn how to make your photo stock using AI. Just to let you know, we have the two greatest football players of all time, Cristiano Ronaldo and Lionel Messi. They will be addressing us in a bit. I know they don't need any introduction because we already know them. If I'm to give proper introduction of both of them, like naming your personal and career achievements, then I don't think we're gonna leave here today, because it is too numerous to mention.
Doris, you are taking too much time. Please can you let our guests have the stage already? Remember they are busy people and we have limited time with them. You know how long it took us and how tough it was to get them to come here, so don't deny our audience the chance to hear from the two greatest footballers of all time, Cristiano Ronaldo and Lionel Messi.
Emmanuel, why are you always finding faults in whatever I do? See the good in what I do for once.
It's alright guys, you both are right in your ways. However, I think this argument should not be going on now. Whichever way you decide the program to go, it's okay. Let's just break that protocol for now and dive into what we came here for.
I concur with Ronaldo, and just to add, maybe we can just do the introduction ourselves to make simple and short.
Okay, sirs. Firstly, I apologize for the manner with which we started today's section. It's unlike us. So we go as you have said, you both introducing yourselves. I think Ronaldo should go first.
I am Cristiano Ronaldo, a Portuguese professional footballer. I play as a forward and captain for both Saudi Pro League club Al Nassr and the Portugal national team.
My name is Lionel Messi, an Argentine professional footballer who plays as a forward for and captains both Major League Soccer club Inter Miami and the Argentina national team.
Sorry guys, we have to end it here as we don't have time on our side. And to our guests, Ronaldo and Messi, we say thank you for honoring our invitation. And over to our audience, thanks for staying tuned all this while, and don't go yet, because you are to about learn to how to make your images talk with the power of AI.
So guys, the conversation you just heard now is not real. Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi, myself and my friend Doris, the conversation that we just had now is not real. Those are not real human beings, those are pictures talking. The interview section with Ronaldo and Messi is actually fake. The conversation we just had right now is not real. Those were actually pictures that are talking. And I was able to make those pictures talk using AI. So guys, in this video today, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually make your pictures talk. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can convert your images, your pictures into video by using AI. So guys, if you want to know more, make sure you follow me to the end of this video. So guys, I don't want to waste much of your time. The first step that you have to take now is to open your browser, whichever browser you're using, whether it's Chrome, Phoenix or Pramini, just tap on it to open it. So let me open my Chrome browser. I'm using Chrome for this tutorial today. So let me tap on it. So guys, once you open up your browser, what you have to search for is d-id, d-id. So let me search for it. So guys, you can see these are the results that I have. You can see the results. What you have to tap on is on the first option. You can see there, www.d-id.com. You can see there, DID make AI generated videos. You can see the arrow pointing at it. That's where you have to tap on. So let me tap on it. So guys, you can see it has taken us to the platform that we're going to use to convert our images to video, that we're going to use to make our pictures to talk. But before we use this platform, there is something I want you to do. You have to convert this mobile view into a desktop view. So for me to do that, I have to tap on the three horizontal dots at the top right corner. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, what you have to do now is to look downwards. You're going to see where it is written desktop site. What you have to do now is to check that unchecked box. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it to mark it. But guys, before I tap on it, let me show you guys something. Just take a look at this interface now. You can see how it's looking. This is the mobile view. Once I tap on that desktop site now, it's going to change. This interface is going to change right away. So let me go ahead to tap it again. Let me tap on the three horizontal dots at the top again. Then let me tap on desktop site below. You can see it there. So guys can see it's loading. So guys, now you can see that the interface has changed. So guys can see the interface has changed. This is the desktop site, this is the desktop view. You can see it's different from the mobile view. So guys, now we've done this. The next step that we have to take now is to tap on the three horizontal bar at the top right corner. You can see the three horizontal bar at the top right corner. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, once you're here, what you have to do now is to tap on free trial. Let me zoom in a little bit so you see it clearly. So guys can see it, you can see free trial there. What you have to do is to tap on it. So let me tap on it. So guys, this is what the interface of this platform looks like. For you to actually create a video now, what you have to do is to tap on where it is written create video. You can see it there on my left hand side. There's also a create video button at the top there. You can see it there, you can see the arrow pointing at it. Whichever one you tap on, you'll be able to create a video. So let me tap on it. Let me tap on the one on my left. So guys can see now we're about to create our video. The next step that you have to take now is to title your video. And for you to do that, you have to tap on where it is written untitled video. You can see it there at the top. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So now let me title my video. Let me give it a name. Tutorial video. So this is the title of my video, tutorial video. So guys, now let me zoom out a bit. Let me zoom out. So guys, I'm done imputing my video title. So the next step that you have to take now. So guys, the next step that you have to take now is to choose an image. The image that you want to convert into video, the image that you want to make to talk. That image now you have to select it. And for you to do that, you have to make use of the feature downwards. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. Let me zoom in a little bit so you see it clearly. So guys can see these are the presenters that we have. Let me scroll upward so you can see we have a lot of presenters. These are images that you can actually convert it to video. These images now you can make them to talk, all of the images. So guys, in case you want to use your own image, in case you want to use your own picture, what you have to do is to tap on the plus icon. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. Once you tap on that plus icon now, it will direct you to your gallery and you'll be able to upload your own picture right to this platform. The first 5 images you can see there, I uploaded it from my gallery. The first one is my picture, the second one is Cristiano Ronaldo, the third one is Lionel Messi, the fourth and the fifth are my pictures. So guys, let me show you how you can upload your picture. So let me tap on the plus icon, let me tap on the add icon. So guys can see now it has directed me to my gallery. So what I have to do now is to choose an image. So let me go ahead now to choose an image right away. So guys, let me select this one right here. Then let me tap on done. So guys can see now this is the image I just added. You can see there, that's the first one. You can see the arrow pointing at it. If I'm to zoom out now, you're going to see it at the top. Let me zoom out. So guys, now you can see it at the top. This is the image I just selected. You can see it there. Whichever image that you select down here is going to appear here at the top. So let me select another image so you see what I'm talking about. Let me select another image. Let me go for this one right here. Let me tap on it. So guys can see now I've selected another image. You can see it has appeared at the top. Whichever one you select down here is going to appear here. So this is the image, this is the picture I actually want to make to talk. So guys, the next step that you have to take now is to impute your script. Whatever grammar, whatever sentences that you want this image to talk, what you have to do now is to impute it. And where you have to impute it is where it is written script. You can see it there at the top right corner. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see it clearly. So guys can see what is written there. Type your script here. You can start from scratch or use our script generation feature below. So guys, in case you have an audio file, maybe you have a recording of your voice and you actually want to make this picture to talk with that recording. So guys, for you to do that, you have to tap on where the arrow is pointing at. You can see that switch over there. That button you can see right there is a switch. You can switch between script and audio. So guys, let me tap on it so that you're going to see it. So let me tap on where the arrow is pointing at. You're going to see that it's going to change into audio. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see it has changed to audio. You can see what is written there. Upload your own voice. Create more realistic videos by uploading your own voice. So guys, you can see you can actually upload your own audio, your own voice recording, your own original voice. So guys, that's how it goes. So guys, let me go back to the script section, and for me to go back, I have to tap on where the arrow is pointing, still on that switch. So let me tap on it, so it's going to go over to script. So guys, you can see now I've switched back to script. So let me type in what I want my image, what I want that my picture to talk. So let me type it in already. I think I've already copied something. So let me type it in. So guys, you can see I've imputed my script. This is what I want that picture, that image to talk. You can see it right there. So guys, now let me zoom out a bit. So I'm going to show you the next step to take. Let me zoom out a bit. So guys, the next step to take now is to choose a language, whether it's English, French, Chinese, Japanese, whichever language you want to use, you can actually use it on this video. So guys, for you to do that, you have to tap on where you see language. You can see it there at the right corner. So let me zoom in a little bit so you're going to see it clearly. Let me keep zooming in. So guys can see there, you can see that first option is written language. So let me tap on it. Let me zoom out so that you can see the languages. So guys, you can see the languages here. You can see we have Nigerian English, we have Kenyan English, South African English. You can see here we have French, we have Germany, we have Indian, we have Indonesia, we have Italian. So guys, you can see we have so many languages here and country. So what you have to do is to choose the country that you want. So let me go ahead to choose Nigerian English. You can see Nigerian there. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, you can see right there now English has been chosen, Nigeria has been chosen. So guys, the next step that you have to take now is to choose a voice. You can either choose a female voice or a male voice. And for you to do that, you have to tap on where it is written voices. You can see it there. Let me zoom in a little bit so you see it clearly. So guys, you can see it right there, voices. So let me tap on it. So guys, you can see we have both male and female. So let me choose the male since my picture is a male. So let me tap on male. So guys, you can see now I've chosen male. So guys, once you're done choosing your language and your voice type, what you have to do now is to choose on style. You can see where it is written style. That style has to do with the mood that you actually want your picture to talk with. If you want your picture to talk in a happy mood, you can actually choose that. If you want it to talk in a sad way or in a friendly way, you can actually choose that using that style option. So guys, once you're done with choosing your language and your voice, the next thing that you have to do now is to listen to the voice that you've chosen. For you to do that, you have to tap on that microphone icon that you can see there. You can see that speaker icon, the arrow is pointing at it. Once you tap on it, you'll be able to hear what the voice sounds like. So let me tap on it.
Doris, you are taking too much time. Please can you?
So guys, now you've been able to hear the voice. So guys, once you're done setting all of this, let me zoom out a little bit so you see the full screen. So guys, now you can see the full screen, you can see the full interface of this platform, you can see the image that I chose, you can see the language I chose and the country I chose. I chose English and I chose Nigeria. You can also see the voice that I chose a male voice, and the style a happy voice. So guys, now you can see I've inputted my script. I used a text-based script, I didn't use an audio. So guys, with all of this done now, the next step that you have to take is to tap on where it is written generate video. You can see there at the top right corner. Let me zoom in a little bit so you see it. So guys, can see it there, generate video. So let me zoom out and let me tap on generate video. So guys, can see the video length is 4 seconds. The video name is tutorial video, which is the title. So guys, what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written generate. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, can see now it's connecting and it's generating our video. You can see the arrow pointing at it. In a few seconds now it's going to be available. So guys, now you can see our video is available. So guys, for you to actually download this video now, what you have to do is to tap on the video itself. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the video. This is the video right here. For you to actually download the video into your gallery, what you have to do is to tap on where it is written download. You can see it there. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, can see at the top downloading. So let me tap on download. So guys, can see file downloaded. So guys, for you to actually play this video right here now, what you have to do is to tap on play. You can see the play icon. So let me tap on it. So guys, before I tap on it, remember this is a white guy that is actually speaking with a Nigerian voice. So if it sounds funny, don't blame me. So let me tap on it.
Hi guys, you are all welcome to my YouTube channel.
So guys, now I've been able to see this image talk with the script I was able to give to it. So guys, I've come to the end of this video, and I believe now you've been able to see how you can turn your images into video. You've been able to see how you can make your pictures to talk. So guys, I know you've got value from this video. Make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified.